Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use the white background screen on CapCut PC. So you are going to select your video first. I'm just going to select this one. Go to the remove background and select auto removal. You can adjust this as well as the rest. It is a pro feature though. I'm just going to feather it out a little bit. And then I'll put it on the second track. You can go use this like white background here, or you can just leave it like here and then go to basic, like leave it on the main track, go to canvas and then select a color of your choice instead. You could do that too. But after all, this is like a white background tutorial. But yeah, that is it. You can add in some effects, some filters, maybe to kind of like make it the same color. Let's do the black and white one and like add in some effects to it, like some retro effects. I don't know, it's totally up to you what you want to use. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.